Lesson 3, The Anatomy of a Facebook Business Page, Part 1. Now that you know the difference between a personal profile and a business page, I'm going to show you the various components of a business page and how they can work for you. You're probably going to want to grab a pen or prepare yourself to take a lot of mental notes. Okay, let's start here. Number 1. The cover image. The cover image needs to be sized at 851 by 315 pixels. Now make sure your image stands out, represents your brand well, and that it's creative. Facebook also has a few rules regarding the cover image that you should be aware of. You cannot put any price or purchase info, no contact information such as website, phone number, or address, no like or share references. Basically, no calls to action. But here's a quick tip. The image is clickable, which means there will be a description for it. People read descriptions, so in yours have a call to action, or at least a link to your website. Make sure all your links start with http:// because it will make the links clickable. Number 2, profile image. Your image should be sized at 180 by 180 pixels. Your profile image is going to follow you around Facebook and the web. This should be your logo, your brand, your product, or your spokesperson. If your brand is you, use a headshot. This image is also clickable, so go back and use that last tip I just gave you right here too. Number 3, the About section. You have 155 characters to make it happen here. The text should describe your company and what you do. Be different. It's also good to include a clickable link here too. If your URL is too long, try using a shortening service like bit.ly or zti.me. This entire box, when clicked, is automatically linked to your information page. Number 4, the Apps section. You can add up to 8 apps, but only 4 are going to be displayed at the top. The first app is your Photos. It can't be changed or moved. All the others can be organized and moved around, so make good use of this prime real estate because users must click the drop-down to view any additional apps. This thumbnail image here is customizable. The dimensions are 111 by 74 pixels. You want to put a call to action in your thumbnail image that encourages the user to click through to your app. Now there's more to come on using apps in a future lesson, but that's all the time we have here for Lesson 3. Join me in the next lesson for Part 2 of the Anatomy of a Facebook Business Page. I'll see you then.